In this video of the Facebook ads course, today we're going to tell you about Facebook ads special categories. Friends, listen to me. You might know that every business wants to run ads on the Facebook for their business products and services. But many times what happens is that there are some industries or certain categories where Facebook doesn't allow ads to run. Okay, either. It won't allow them at all. Some categories are completely banned. But there are some categories where it does allow ads, but they are counted under special categories. So there are some such categories like finance, for example. Okay, or let's say you have some products of this type, all right, which are like different, meaning they are not for normal use, they come under special use and permissions are needed for them. That's one type. Understood? Or apart from finance, if you have an organization, an NGO, or if you have a political party, or like you are campaigning for a political party, or there are some social issues or any matter related to social causes. So like this, there are many categories that Facebook places under special categories. So when we create a campaign, how that will be shown to you there and what you will have to do, that's what I am going to tell you today. Let's understand it practically on the computer screen. See, my Facebook ad account is open right now. So here, if I go to create a campaign on left, then over here, what will I have to do here, friends? So here, to create any kind of campaign, like let's say I have chosen the traffic objective here, and here I've clicked continue. After clicking continue option over here, I will create the entire campaign manually. Now look here, this has appeared. Special ad categories. Okay, so here in the show categories option, if your industry, your category falls under this special ad category, then you will have to turn this on. You have to turn it on like this. And if you want more information about this here, then by right clicking on this link here, you can also read more about it in detail here. Okay, now see. You can get complete information like social issues, elections, political, housing, employment, jobs. People offering jobs often commit fraud, right? Financial products and services, you can get all this detailed information completely from this page. As you already know, nothing can be covered 100% in just one video. You need to read it in more detail. Get complete information so that your account doesn't get banned, your ads don't get stopped, don't get restricted. So if you take all the precautions beforehand that I am explaining to you, then there's a very less chance that problem will arise. We've been running digital marketing ads for years across various industries, so we know what problems can arise in which industry, what to do and what not, so it's important to tell these things. So we've turned on special ad categories. Now see in categories option. Declared category if applicable. So here you will have to choose which one is it, my financial product, employment, housing, what is it. So here, let's say I am running an ad for a financial product. And you can see here I've just marked the tick, alright. After ticking, we will move forward. You have to choose in which country you want to run it. I am running it in India, so I will choose India. Okay, now here when I click next. After clicking next, it's traffic ad. We need to take them to the website. Okay, and then here you have set all your bidding. You have also set your budget, etc. All right. Now the audience section that is appearing here. So what do we need to do here? We have to create our audience. I have selected the location, whatever is your age criteria, select that. I am just showing this for demo purpose, okay? Alright, I have set that criteria. I will click on edit for the detailed targeting option. Here, you can see the options have appeared here, okay? Now demographics, interests, behaviors, in this way, whatever audience, etc. is there, you need to target them from here, right? Now, look at one thing here. Special ad categories has appeared. I have selected financial products. Earlier this used to be called credit, etc., formerly credit, but now many things can come under financial products, services, credit cards and many other things like loans, etc. Here we can see for the ad category. If you want to know more about this category, then from here you can get complete information about what to do and what not to do. Always keep one thing in mind. When you are running ads in a special category, then many times it can happen that as there are many categories, so within some categories it might be possible that some targeting options are less and in others there are more. Okay. Always remember one thing, if your Facebook account and your business are related to that category, well then You need to get your Facebook account verified, okay? Get your ad account verified and get your business verified. You need to do advertising verification, business verification. It's very important. What happens is that if your business account, everything is verified and you choose the specific category properly, follow the terms and conditions. As they're stating, I've shown both links, you can see from here. And I also showed you by going to special page there. So when you are following everything, then there's almost no chance that your account will be suspended or your work will stop. That's why it was very important to tell all these things, because people make these small mistakes. They don't know all this. They normally go and create an ad on Facebook. The ad gets stopped, the account gets suspended or disabled or restricted. And then people create accounts again, do the same thing again, and they get frustrated because same thing will happen again and again. So don't get frustrated, follow procedures and rules, everything will work out. I hope you have understood what special ad categories are in Facebook ads. And if your business falls into one, then please follow these guidelines. Thank you.